Statistics. This is Eamcet 2021 4th August shift 2 question. Year 65 is the range of the ungrouped data 50, 70, 60, B, capital B, 20, 40. Then the absolute difference of the possible values of capital B is dash. Here 65 is the range is given. So range is equal to 65. We know that the formula for range, that is maximum value, maximum minus minimum, is equal to 65. So here is B value is given. We know that in this series where is the maximum and where is minimum. Case 1, capital B is maximum. Capital B is maximum. If capital B is maximum, 20 is minimum value. 20 is minimum. So substituting in this formula, maximum B minus 20 is equal to 65. From this B is equal to 65 plus 20. B is equal to 85. And take case 2. This is B is minimum. Capital B is minimum. And here 70 is maximum. 70 is maximum. So now substituting in this formula, range, that is maximum 70 minus B is equal to 65. From this B is equal to 70 minus 65, B is equal to 5. Now absolute difference of possible values of B, that is modulus of 85 minus 5, that is equal to 80. These are the values of B. So B is equal to 80. That is the answer. If 10 is the mean of the data 2, 3, 5, 18, 17, 15, 13, x, 9, 7, then the mean deviation of this data about its mean is dash. So here is mean is given, that is mean is equal to 10. Given data is, so data these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. That is mean is, that is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 18 plus 17 plus 15 plus 13 plus x plus 9 plus 7 by 10 is equal to 10. Take cross multiplication, that is 10 into 10, 100, 2, 3, 5. This is 10, 28, 35, 45, 60, 73, 80, 89. This is 89 plus x is equal to 10 into 10, 100. From this x is equal to 100 minus 89, this is 11. The value of x is 11. Therefore, the given data is, that is 2, 3, 5, 18, 17, 15, 13, x value is 11, comma 9, comma 7. Now find the mean deviation about the mean. So mean deviation is equal to, that is modulus of 2 minus, mean is given in the problem, that is 10. 2 minus 10 plus modulus of 3 minus 10 plus modulus of 5 minus 10 plus modulus of 18 minus 10 plus modulus of 17 minus 10 plus modulus of 15 minus 10 plus modulus of 13 minus 10 plus modulus of 11 minus 10 plus mod of 9 minus 10 mod of 7 minus 10 by total number of values is, that is 10. So now calculate this value, that is mean deviation MD is equal to 2 minus 7, 10, that is 8, 3 minus 10, mod 10, this is 7, plus 5 minus 10, 5, 18 minus 10, 8, 17 minus 10, 7, 15 minus 10, 5, 13 minus 10, 3, 11 minus 10, 1, this is 9 minus 10, this is 1, 7 minus 10, 3. Mod of this value, all positive, that is 10. That is equal to 8 plus 7, 15, 20, 28, 35, 40. This is 46, 48. This is 48 by 10, that is equal to 4.8. Therefore, mean deviation is equal to 4.8. This is the required answer. This is Eamcet 2021, 5th August Shift 1 question. Let O be the mean deviation of the first 5 odd natural numbers about their mean, and P be the mean deviation of the first 5 prime numbers about their mean. Then P minus O is equal to dash. Here O is given, that is O is mean deviation of the first 5 odd natural numbers. So first 5 odd natural numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First we find mean, that is mean is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 by 5. This is 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus this is 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. And mean deviation is given, that is mean deviation is O. O is equal to modulus of 1 minus 5 plus modulus of 3 minus 5 modulus of 5 minus 5 modulus of 7 minus 5 modulus of 9 minus 5 by 5, that is equal to 1 minus 5 modulus, this is 4 modulus of 3 minus 5 2, this is 0, this is 2, this is 4 by 5, this is 12 by 5. Therefore O is equal to 12 by 5, this is 2.4. So O value is 2.4. And P value is given, that is mean deviation of the first 5 prime numbers. So that is P is first 5 prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the prime numbers. Now we find mean of these prime numbers. Mean is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 11 by 5, that is equal to 10, 17, 28 by 5, that is equal to 5.6. This value is 5.6. Therefore mean deviation is given, that is P. P is equal to modulus of 2 minus 5.6 modulus of 3 minus 5.6 modulus of 5 minus 5.6 modulus of 7 minus 5.6 11 minus 5.6 by 5. So that is 2 minus 5.6. So 2 minus 5.6, that value is 3.6. 3 minus 5.6 modulus of this is 2.6. 5 minus 5.6 modulus, that is 0.6. This is 7 minus 5.6 modulus, this is 1.4. 11 minus 5.6, this is 5.4 by 5. Now add all these values, that is 6, 4, 10, 6, 4, 10. This is 0.6. 26, 5 to 7, 8, 8 to 10, this is 13.655, that is equal to 2.72. Now find the value of, that is P minus O. P value is 2.72 minus 2.4, that is equal to 0.32. This is the value of P minus O. If M1 and M2 are the mean deviations from the mean and median of the first 15 even integers, then M1 plus M2 is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 5th August Shift 2 question. Here M1 is given mean deviation about the mean. So first we take first 15 even integers, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. These are the first 15 even integers. Now we find the sum of all these numbers. The sum is equal to 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to dash dash 28. Take 2 common, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to dash dash 14. That is equal to 2 into 14 into, that is 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. This is sum of the first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. Here n is 14, that is 14 into 15 by 2. Here 2 cancel, that is 14 into 15, that is equal to, this value is 210. Now we find mean, that is mean is equal to sum of that numbers, that is 210 by total numbers, that is 15. 210 by 15, that is equal to 14. This is the mean. Now we find the mean deviation about the mean, that is modulus of 0 minus 14, first one, and modulus of 2 minus 14 plus up to dash dash, last value, modulus of 28 minus 14 by total numbers is 15. That is 0 minus 14, this is 14, 2 minus 14, 12, plus next value 10 plus up to dash dash, in middle value 0 plus up to dash dash, last value 14 by 15. That is equal to 2 into 14 plus 14, that is 2 into 14, 12 plus 12, that is 2 into 12 plus 10 plus up to dash dash, last value is 2 by 15. That is equal to 2 by 15 into, take 2 common in these, that is 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus up to dash dash, last value 1. That is equal to 4 by 15 into, this is 7 into 8 by 2. So here 2 times cancel, that is 2 into 7, 14, that is 14 into 8 by 15. That is 14 into 8 by 15, that is equal to 14 into 8. This is 112 by 15. This is the value of mean deviation about the median. Here now median value is 14. This is the median, that is the 14. Mean and medians are same. So median is 14. That means mean and median is equal to, that is also 14. This 14 is the mid value of the given numbers. Here mean is same as median, that is 14. So mean deviation about the median is also same as, that is 112 by 15. This is the value of M2. Now we find M1 plus M2. So M1 value is 112 by 15. This is also 112 by 15. 112 plus 112, that is 224 by 15. This is the value of M1 plus M2. The mean deviation about the median of the discrete data 12, 15, 7, 4, 4, 15, 23, 14 is given data in ascending order is, that is ascending order is, that is 4, 4, 7, 12, 14, 15, 15, 23. These are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8. These are the given numbers. Now here the number of terms is equal to, that is n is equal to 8, where n is, this is even number. So even number means, so median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term by 2. So that is equal to 4 by 2 means, that is 8 by 2, 4th term, that is 4th term is 12 plus 14 by 2, that is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. This is the median of the given data. Now mean deviation, that is mean deviation is equal to modulus of 4 minus 13 plus modulus of 4 minus 13 modulus of 7 minus 13 modulus of 12 minus 13 plus modulus of 14 minus 13 plus mod of 15 minus 13 plus mod of 15 minus 13 mod of 23 minus 13 by 8. Now calculating all these values, that is we are getting, that is equal 4 minus 13, this is 9 plus 9, 7 minus 13, this is 6, 12 minus 13, 1, 14 minus 13, 1, 15 minus 13, 2, this is also 2, this is 10 by 8, 10 plus 4 plus 5, 16, 22, 31, this is 40, that is equal to 40 by 8, this is 5. So mean deviation about the median is 5. In a Poisson distribution, P of x is equal to 2 is twice of P of x is equal to 1. Then the standard deviation of the distribution is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August shift to 2 question. In Poisson distribution, we know that Poisson distribution P of x is equal to k is equal to e to the power of minus lambda into lambda power k by k factorial. This is the formula for Poisson distribution. In problem is given, that is P of x is equal to 2 is twice 2 of P of x is equal to 1. P of x is equal to 2 means e to the power of minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial is equal to 2 into e power minus lambda into lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Your e power minus lambda cancel. Lambda square is equal to 2 factorial means that is 2 into 2, 4 lambda. Both sides 4, lambda cancelled, that is lambda is equal to 4. Now we find mean. Mean is equal to NP is equal to lambda, that is equal to 4. And standard deviation is equal to under root lambda, that is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. The probability distribution of random variable x is given below. So that is, your table is given, then find the value of p of 0 less than x less than 4. That means p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3. Now find these values, sum of these three values. This is Eamcet 2021 question. We know that sum of the probabilities is 1. That is sum of the probabilities is, that is 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k is equal to 1. Here 7k square, 2k square, 9k square plus k square. This is 10k square plus k plus 2k plus 2k, 5k plus 3k, 8k plus k. This is 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factors of this is, that is 10k minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. From this 10k minus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to 1 by 10, k plus 1 is equal to 0, that is k is equal to minus 1. This is not possible because probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. So k is equal to minus 1 is not possible, so take k is equal to 1 by 10. Now we find the value of probability of 0 less than x less than 4. That is equal to p of x is equal to 1 plus p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 4. P of x is equal to 1 value is given, that is k, 2 is 2k, 3 is 2k. This is k plus 2k plus 2k, that is equal to 5k. So 5 into k value is 1 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. If P of A union B is equal to 0.8 and P of A intersection B is equal to 0.3, then find the value of P of A complement plus P of B complement. This is Eamcet 2021 question. So now we find the value of P of A complement plus P of B complement. We know that P of A complement is, that is 1 minus P of A plus P of B complement, this is 1 minus P of B, that is equal to 2 minus P of A plus P of B. So that is equal to, so we know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. From this equation, that is 2 minus P of A plus P of B is equal to P of A union B plus P of A intersection B. That is 2 minus P of A union B, that is 0.8 minus P of A intersection B, that is 0.3. That is 2 minus 1.1, that is equal to 0.9. Three groups of children, capital A, capital B, capital C, contain boys and girls as a given below. Group A contains 3 girls and 1 boy. Group B contains 2 girls and 2 boys. And Group C contains 3 boys and 1 girl. One child is selected at random from each group. The probability that 3 children selected 1 girl and 2 boys is dash. This is Eamcet 2021 question, 6th August shift 2. So here 3 groups is given. That is first group ABC, capital A group. This group contains, so this is 3 girls and 1 boy. And second group B, this B group contains 2 girls and 2 boys. And third group C contains 1 girl, 3 boy. 1 girl, 3 boy. One child is selected at random from each group. The probability that the 3 children selected are 1 girl, 2 boys. Now probability is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So from group 1, A group, we are selecting a girl. So from selecting from group B, boy, and group C we are selecting from boy, because 1 girl and 2 boys. This is the first selection. And second one, from group 1 we are selecting boy, and second one is girl, and third one is boy. And third selecting is boy, girl. So first selecting girl from group A, that is 3 by 4, into selecting boy from group B, that is 2 by 4, into selecting boy from group C, that is 3 by 4, that is equal to 3 into 2, 6 into 3, 18 by 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. From second one, that is boy, selecting boy from group A, that is 1 by 4, selecting girl from group B, that is 2 by 4, and boy, B girl, this is girl from group B, that is 2 by 4, and boy from group C, that is 3 by 4, that is 3 to the 6 by 64. And this is boy from group A, that is 1 by 4, and boy from group B, this is 2 by 4, and girl from group C, that is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 64. Now required probability is equal to, that is 18 by 64 plus 6 by 64 plus 2 by 64, that is equal to 18 plus 2, 20, 26 by 64. Now 2 cancel, 13 2s are 26, 32, that is equal to 13 by 32. This is the required probability. In a college, 40% students attend mathematics class, and 30% students attend physics class, and 20% students attend both the classes. If a student is chosen at random from the college, the probability that the student chosen attend only one class is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 6th August shift 1 question. Here is given students in a class is, that is 100% students in a class is equal to taken as 100%. So P of M is the probability of who attend the maths class, that is P of M is equal to 40%. And P of P, this is the physics class, who attend the physics class, this is 20%, 30%. And both the classes, that is P of M intersection P is equal to 20%. So probability of student who chosen at least only one class, that is probability of a student who attend only maths class. So probability of student who attend only maths class is, that is P of M minus P of M intersection P, that is P of M is 40% minus P of M intersection P 20%, that is equal to 20%. And the probability of the student who attend only physics class, probability of student who attend only physics class is, that is P of P minus P of M intersection P. Probability of physics, that is 30% minus 20%, that is equal to 10%. Probability that the student chosen attend only one class is 20% plus 10%, that is equal to 30%, that is equal to 30 by 100, 0 cancelled, that is equal to 3 by 10. The probability function of a discrete random variable x is given by P of x is equal to R is equal to KR square, where R is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and K is a constant. The sum of the variance of x and the square of the mean of x is dash. The sum of the variance of x and square of the mean of x is dash. This is Eamcet 2021 question. 6th August shift 1. This is P of x is equal to R is given, that is KR square, where R is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. We know that variance sigma square is equal to, that is sigma of xi square into P of xi minus mu square. Here mu is the mean. From this, sigma square plus mu square is equal to sigma xi square into P of xi, that is equal to -2 whole square, that is 4 into substituting R value in this, that is 4k, plus substituting -1, that is 1 into 1k, plus 0 plus 1 into 1k, this is 4 into 4k, plus 9 into 9k, that is equal to 4 into 4, 16k plus k plus k plus 16k plus 9 into 9, 81k, that is equal to 16 plus 16, 32, 33, 34, 34 plus 81, that is 115k. This is sigma square plus mu square is equal to 115k. We know that total probability, that is sigma P of xi is equal to 1, that is 4k. Substituting the R values in this, that is 4k plus k plus 0 plus k plus 4k plus 9k is equal to 1. this is, so 9k plus this is 4k, 13k, 14k, 15k, 19k. This is 19k is equal to 1. From this k is equal to 1 by 19. Therefore, sigma square plus mu square is equal to 115k, that is 115 into k value 1 by 19, that is equal to 115 by 19. This is the sum of the variance of x and the square of the mean of the x. If a random variable x denotes the number of that appears the upper face at a die when it is rolled, then variance of x by mean of x is equal to dash. When a die is rolled, so on the faces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then probability is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. So we know that is mean is equal. First we find mean. Mean is equal to, that is sigma xi. Xi into p of x is equal to xi. That is equal to 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 plus 6 by 6. That is equal to 6 into 7. 6 into 7 by 2 into 6. Here 2 3 times cancelled, that is 21 by 6. And variance is equal to sigma xi square into p of x is equal to xi. This is the formula, xi square, that is 1 square into, that is 1 by 6 plus 2 square, that is 4 by 6, that is 9 by 6, that is 16 by 6, mine plus, that is 25 by 6 plus 36 by 6, minus mean square. So this is minus mu square. Mu square is 21 by 6 whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16, 25 plus 36. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to dash dash 6 square by 6. This value is 6 into 6 plus 1 into 2 into 6. 12 plus 1 by 6 into 6. This is 21 by 6 whole square. That is equal to here 36 LCM. This is 6 into 7, that is 42. 42 into 13, that is 546 minus 21 square. This is 441 is equal to 105 by 36. Now we find variance of x by mean of x. Variance is sigma square by mu. Sigma square value is 105 by 36, that is mu is 21 by 6, that is equal to 105 by 36 into 6 by 20. Here 6 times cancel, that is, and this is 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 5, 3s are 15. So that is 3 7s are 21 and 5 7s are 35. That is equal to 5 by 2 into 3, that is equal to 5 by 6. This is the ratio of variance of x and mean of x. A die is rolled 5 times, getting an odd number in one tail and considered as success. The variance of the distribution of success is dash. A die is rolled 5 times, that means n is equal to 5, and getting an odd number in one trail is considered as success. So odd numbers is 3 numbers, that is probability p is equal to probability of getting an odd number, that is 3 by total numbers is 6, 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. And q, probability of getting an even number, this is also 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now variance is equal to, we know that variance is equal to NPQ, that is N5 into P 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 4. Face masks are supplied to a junior college in a packet of 100. If there is a chance that in 1 to 100 face mask is defective, then the number of packets containing no defective face masks in a consignment of 10,000 packets is dash. Here is given n is equal to 100, number of face masks packets is 100, n is equal to 100. P is the number of defective masks. Number of defective masks is, that is equal to 1 to 500, that is 1 by 500. And lambda is equal to NP, mean. Lambda is equal to mean is equal to NP, that is equal to 100 into 1 by 500, that is equal to 1 by 5, that is equal to 0.2. From Poisson distribution, P of x is equal to k, that is equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power k by k factorial. So in 1000 packets, the number of packets containing no defective mark is, that is equal to P of x is equal to 0.2 into 1000, that is equal to 10,000. That is 10,000 into e power minus 0.2 into lambda square, that is 0.2 whole square by 2 fact, that is whole power 0 by 0 factorial. P of x is equal to 0, no defective, that is P of x is equal to 0, that is 0 factorial. At 0 factorial is 1, 0.2 whole power 0 is 1, that is 10,000 into e power minus 0.2, that is equal to 10,000 by e to the power of 0.2. If the proper divisors of integer 2520 is selected at random, then the probability that it is an odd number. Here we find the probability of number of odd proper divisors. First, this 2520 is written as, that is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 into 7. These are the factors of given number. So number of divisors is equal to number of divisors is equal to, that is 3 plus 1. Here 2 cube is, that is written as 3 plus 1, and 3 square, that is 2 plus 1. Here 5 power 1, that is 1 plus 1, and 7 power 1, this is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 4 3s are 12, 24, 48. This is the number of divisors. So number of proper divisors, number of proper divisors is equal to, that is 48 minus 2, 1 and that number 2520 deleted, 1 and itself, that number is 2520, that is 48 minus 2 is 46. Now number of odd divisors, number of odd divisors is equal to, that is 3 square, that is written as 2 plus 1, and 5 power 1, this is 1 plus 1, 7 power 1, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. So number of odd proper divisors, number of odd proper divisors, number of odd proper divisors is equal to 12 minus 1, that is equal to 11. Therefore total probability is equal to, this is 11 by 46. This is the required answer. If P of capital X is equal to small x is equal to 5r power x, x is equal to 1, 2, 3 is the probability density function of a discrete random variable x, then small r is equal to dash. This is TS Eamcet 2021 question, 5th August shift 1 question. Here is given, we know the total probability is 1, that is P of capital X small x is equal to 1, that is P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 up to dash dash, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, that is 5r plus next one 5r square, this is 5r cube plus up to dash dash is equal to 1. Take 5r common, this is 1 plus r square plus up to dash dash is equal to 1. This is infinite GP. We know that infinite GP S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r, that is the formula. 1 by 1 minus r is equal to 1. From this 5r is equal to 1 minus r, 5r plus r is equal to 1, this is 6r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 by 6. This is the value of r. The probability distribution of a random variable x is given below the table. Then find the value of P of x greater than or equal to 3 minus P of x less than 6 is equal to dash. We know that the total probability is equal to 1. Here is given 0 to 7, that is sigma r is equal to 0 to 7 P of x is equal to 1, that is 0.01 plus 0.10 plus 0.26 plus 0.33, 0.18 plus 0.06 plus k plus 0.04 is equal to 1. From this, that is k is equal to, calculate this, k is equal to 0.02. This is the value of k. Now we find P of x greater than or equal to 3. That means P of x is equal to 4, P of x is equal to 3 plus P of x is equal to 4 plus P of x is equal to 5 plus P of x is equal to 6 plus P of x is equal to 7. This is P of x greater than or equal to 6, greater than or equal to 3. That is P of x is equal to 3. This is 0.33. X is equal to 4, 0.18 plus x is equal to 5, 0.06. X is equal to 6, that is k value is 0.02, x is equal to 7, 0.04. That is equal to this total value, calculate this, that is 0.63, that is 0.63. And now find P of x less than 6, that is P of x less than 6 means that is up to 5, that is x less than 6, that is 0.01 plus 0.1 plus 0.26 plus 0.33 plus 0.18 plus 0.06. So that is equal to, this value is 0.94. Now we find P of x greater than or equal to 3 minus P of x less than 6, that is equal to 0.63 minus 0.94, that is equal to 0.31. This is the required answer. This is minus 0.31. So minus 0.31. This is the answer. A problem in algebra is given to two students A and B. The chances of solving it are 2 by 5, 3 by 4 respectively. The probability that the problem is solved if both of them try independently is dash. That is, this is TS Eamcet 2021 5th August shift 1 question. Here probability of A solving the problem is given, that is P of A is given, that is equal to 2 by 5, and probability of B solving the problem is given, that is 3 by 4. So probability of neither solving the problem is, that is 1 minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 5 minus 2, 3 by 5 4 minus 3, 1 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 20. Probability that the problem will be solved. Probability that the problem will be solved is equal to 1 minus 3 by 20, that is 20 minus 3 by 20 is equal to 17 by 20. If small m is the mean of the Poisson distribution, then P of x greater than 0 is dash. This is Eamcet 2021, 4th August, shift to 2%. P of x greater than 0 means 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. This is the formula. So here is given mean of the Poisson distribution is m. Then P of capital X is small x is e to the power of minus m into m to the power of r by r factorial, where r is given, that is r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dash dash. So P of x greater than 0, that is equal to 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. That is 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 means that is e power minus m into m to the power of 0 by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, m power 0 is 1. 1 minus e power minus m. 1 minus 1 by e power m, that is e power m minus 1 by e power m. This is the value of P of x greater than 0. The range of a random variable x is 0, 1, 2, and P of x is equal to 0 is 3c cube, and P of x is equal to 1 is 4c minus 10c square, and P of x is equal to 2 is 5c minus 1. Then the value of P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 2. That means P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2. Now find these two values. We know that total probability is equal to 1. That is sigma of P of x is equal to 1. That is 3c cube plus 4c minus 10c square plus 5c minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. C is equal to 1 satisfies the equation. 5 plus 9 plus this is 10c square, that is c minus 1 into this is c square. So this is 3c square minus 7c plus 2 is equal to 0. And this is c minus 1 into, so c minus 2 into 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. From this c is equal to 1 not satisfied, c is equal to 2 not satisfied, 3c minus 1 is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 by 3. This is the value of c, that is c is 1 by 3, that is P of x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 value is given, that is 4c minus 10c square, that is P of x is equal to 2. This is 5c minus 1. Substituting c value, this is 4 by 3 minus 10c square, that is 10 by 9, 5c, that is 5 by 3 minus 1. Substituting c is equal to 1 by 3 in this equation. That is take LCM, that is 9 LCM. This is 4 3s are 12 minus 10, 5 3s are 15 minus 9. So 12 plus 15, this is 27 minus 19 by 9. That is 27 minus 19, this is 8 by 9. This is the value of P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 2, that is equal to 8 by 9.